Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial and welcome to the Omer Bhatt channel. So today I will show you that how you can quickly apply attributes to multiple shapes in Photoshop 2021. So we will create a new document. So we will go to the file and new, or simply you can press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard, and if you are a Mac user then you can press Command plus N. So this is a tutorial, so definitely I will select default Photoshop size and will click on create, and now we will select this tool that is called rectangle tool. If you have selected any other tool, just press U and you can see the rectangle tool will activate. Now you can see my default color is this and stroke is this. I was working about on the shapes with these colors. So what I will do, we will right click here on the shape, and you can click reset all tools or reset tool. So what will happen, you can see it will apply, default settings will apply. Now you can see the fill color is this and stroke is this. So I will select fill color, yes, we will create something like this, and if I go to the fill color, so I will apply like this color, and stroke I will remove. Now you can see my default settings are like this, and rectangle 1, you can see this shape, and if I create another rectangle, you can see this, okay. And now if we select and deselect layers, so you can see this is default now. You remember I reset the tools, so that time the fill color was this and stroke was this I changed the color. So when you click on select and deselect layers, so now layers are not selected, so you can see, so we can apply the default, okay. So for example, if I, before creating, if I apply this one and now this, so you can see now this is the default color. If I select rectangle 1, so you can see the color has been changed, the fill color has been changed, this shape we have selected. So if I create, you can see it will apply this color, okay. Again, now we go to select deselect layer, so now you can see the default color is this one. So if I create another one, you can see this color will apply, okay. Now for example, if we select custom shape tool, and here you can see we have different shapes in flowers. So if I select flowers, now you can see rectangle 5 is selected, this rectangle, this color. So if I create, if I design this flower, we have selected another shape tool, so you can see this color will apply. See, if you press H, so it will hide, and or you can move to, you can see this color has been applied. So if I select this shape, you can see this one, okay. Now if I go to the custom shape tool and will select another flower, so you can see now that color will apply, okay. And for example, if I press Ctrl Z and we select this, now you can see this this one, so this is active. So what it means, like if I create another flower, so this will apply this color. But if I go to the window and if I select shapes layer, and from here if I drag and drop like this, even this color is selected, but if I drag and drop this on this shape, so you can see this will automatically, Photoshop will tell this shape to select the behind this color. So you can see now this shape has this color, even this was selected, okay. So Now for example, if you want to select all multiple layers, okay, you can see we have different layers, so we can go to the layer, and here you can select for example like this, press and hold shift and select all of them, go to layer and merge shapes. So you can see these has been merged, and now these has one default color, which was my default color. Okay, we can go to the swatches and we can apply like this color or this color, so it will apply to the multiple shapes. Okay, you can see it's applying to the multiple shapes. Even in the gradients, in the swatches, you can see we have CMYK, we have RGB, different colors. Okay, so you can apply one of them, you can apply even gradients. See, gradient is applying. Okay, and if you want to apply patterns, so even the patterns you can apply. You can see, even see the trees pattern. Okay, see, we will apply swatch like this, and if you want to make this one separate, so you can go to the path selection tool and select and layer, new shape layer via cut. So you can see this has been changed, so now this is separate. See, so we can apply different thing to this shape. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. I hope you have learned a lot in this video, that how we can quickly apply different attributes, and including like swatches, colors, gradients, patterns, these things, how we can apply to the multiple objects, and how the default color works for the shapes. So thank you so much once again. Please share the video with your friends so they can also learn Photoshop skills and they can increase their skills. Thank you very much once again. Thank you so much once again.